Hey guys, how to delete YouTube channel. Thinking about deleting your YouTube channel but not sure where the option is hidden? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to permanently delete your YouTube channel quickly, safely, and without any confusion. Stay with me and let's get it done the right way. First, you have to open Chrome on your mobile, and I want to open YouTube inside Chrome. After that, click the top 3 dots and scroll down. You look the desktop site, click on it. After that, click the profile icon, and down click the settings, and then click the view advanced settings, and then click the delete channel. After that, enter the lock screen password, and click the I want to permanently delete my content, and down fill the boxes, and click the delete my content, and after that write the name of your channel. My channel name is tutorial. I have written hit tutorial, and after that I click on delete my content, then my channel will be deleted.